This week we read a portion of Bo. At the conclusion of the portion, the Torah tells us about the mitzvah of tefillin. That tefillin not to be put on your hand and on your head, your forehead, for a sign. For God took us out of the land of Egypt with a strong hand. Now, on what hand do we put on the tefillin? The Talmud tells us we put on the tefillin on our weaker hand, on our left hand. Why? Because the Torah tells us, and the word yodcha means yad keya, the weaker hand. But the question comes to mind, if the reason we put on tefillin is because God took us out of the land of Egypt with a strong hand, then to demonstrate that, we should be putting tefillin every day on our right hand, on the strong hand, not on the weaker hand. And I believe that Torah is telling us a very strong lesson over here. The reason why we put the tefillin on our weaker hand is because we have to take the weaker hand and make that into the stronger hand. Because God took us out of Egypt with a strong hand, that empowers us to be able to take our left hand, to take the negative, to take the weak part that's within us and make it stronger. How do you make your weaker hand stronger? By putting on the tefillin. When a Jew does a mitzvah, we bring energy into the world. We bring energy into our body. We empower ourselves with energy that cannot be received by any vitamins or any food. And that is the power of a mitzvah. A mitzvah is so powerful that it affects the world and affects the person who does it. So when we put the tefillin on our weaker hand, we have to remember, kibiyat chazaka. God took us out of Egypt, and the point is we have to make from the weaker hand the stronger hand. May God bless us that we are successful at that. Our rabbis tell us that the pasuk says, the verse says, that the nations of the world will see that the name of God that's called upon us. What does this refer to? Elu tefillin shabaresh. These are the tefillin that we wear on our forehead. When the non-Jews see us wearing the tefillin, the fear of God comes over them. And it's not only when you're actually wearing the tefillin, but if a Jew puts on tefillin, automatically he has that shine of God, that aura of God that is shining upon him. May we all be blessed with that light of God, and may we merit to see the coming of Mashiach speedily in our day. Shabbat shalom to you all.